Hey guys, welcome back. I thought today would be a great opportunity to finish our Columbus, Ohio Airbnb tour. In today's video, I'm going to show you our kitchen, our bathroom, and what we do to stock it to get all those 5-star reviews. So come on in. So welcome to our Airbnb kitchen. So this kitchen is pretty small, so you'll have to bear with me as I give you the tour with the video here. But my main objective with the kitchen was to give everyone what they need in order to make themselves a meal and feel like when they wake up in the morning, they're at home, there's a coffee station, it's fully stocked. The more I can anticipate my guests' needs, the more 5 stars I'm gonna receive because they're gonna go and reach for something and they're gonna find it. So I'm gonna start right here at the sink area. I provide dish soap. I provide every cooking utensil you can think of, from a potato masher to a garlic cheese grater to spatulas. I mean, you name it, it's there. In this cabinet, I've debated actually over labeling these cabinets so that guests know where things are. They don't have to go digging through things, but this kitchen isn't so big. I haven't had to worry about that in this one, so I'm leaving the labels out of it. It just makes it look nicer. So I have the ability to host 4 guests in this Airbnb. So I provide 4 of everything. That way it just keeps it simple. There's not too much clutter. I've got 4 bowls, 4 small plates, 4 large plates. I do have a plethora of glassware. I do provide 4 wine glasses, rocks glasses, some water glasses, and then some larger pint glasses. So you have your glass options available to you. I also have a dish rack. This is where guests can wash their dishes and let them dry. It's my only request on things that they need to do before they leave. They need to do their own dishes. Everything else we take care of. I just find that just keeps the sink, clean, clutter-free. If my cleaning person can't get in here right away, nothing's stinking up the place too much or what have you. I don't know, it's just what I request of our guests. I also have plenty of paper towels. This is a dish drying rag. I'll show you over here. I also have a hand towel rag. And then I also have hand soap, and I also provide a sponge. Now I can get these for pretty cheap when I bulk order on Amazon. That way I can change it out every few guests and they have a nice clean sponge to clean their own dishes with. And then I'm gonna show you what I've got going on in these cabinets down here. So come with me. Okay, so under the sink, you will find that I do supply my guests with sandwich bags, aluminum foil, plastic wrap, all-purpose cleaner. They've got oven mitts. What else do we have? We have backup dish soap. I've got trash bags, and we have coin-operated laundry downstairs. So I have a little bit of just powder, laundry detergent. I actually don't have any dryer sheets. I could add that. That wouldn't be much of an expense for us to provide. But the laundry detergent is there. So that's what we got in there. And then over here, so in this drawer, I have all of our flatware. Like before, I provide 4 of everything. I also have an ice cream scoop, and we have a coffee station. So I also have a tea, I don't know what you call this, a tea tool. 4 of everything. I've got some scissors, and then guests have actually left behind chopsticks, straws. In this drawer, I've got chip clips, wine key, birthday candles, and actually that's the only candle I have available in the Airbnb. I like to reduce liability so I don't have any wax candles in the apartment. Can opener. I have a meat temperature taker, measuring cups, measuring spoons, champagne stopper, and a wine stopper. So yeah, I really try to think about everything someone could need in order to have a meal or a nice drink or a cocktail. In this drawer, you'll see plenty of pots and pans, lids. I've got a spaghetti strainer. I've got a pizza stone. And none of these things actually cost us a lot of money. A lot of them I was able to pick up at local thrift stores or on sale on Craigslist from real estate sales, estate sales, those sorts of things. And you can really stock up your Airbnb kitchens with the nice quality materials. So some of these are like Farberware. What's that other popular brand? Princess, I know was one of Princess House. I mean, these are really nice, you know, nice pots and pans. So I'm gonna show you else what I got going up in the upper cabinets. Okay, let's complete this side of the kitchen tour. I showed you this far cabinet that has our dishware and our glassware. This cabinet has coffee supplies. Up here, I have everything you need to make a cocktail. My 15 years or so in the hospitality and beverage industry reminds me how important it is to be able to make a great cocktail, especially if you're on vacation or away from your home. I think it's an important thing to have. So I've got some martini glasses, a shaker, a jigger, a muddler, just your basics. Over here, I've got, this is kind of my baking set. If people wanted to bake, I'm telling you, I have everything. I have an electric, words were losing me right now, but a blender guy, a spatula, the tools for it. I've got some pie pans over here. It's probably a little overkill, but I already had these things, so I just threw them into the Airbnb just in case. Over here, I've got some spices. They're all your basic spices. I have salt and pepper on the table, and over here I have like thyme, garlic powder, red pepper. Some guests have left some coconut oil, vanilla syrup, and they just leave it behind, which is really nice because then the guests after them can enjoy those spices. And then over here, I went to IKEA and I got a bunch of plastic Tupperware. So if guests want to take it with them when they're out for the day, or they make some food and they have leftovers, they've got something they can put it in. I also have some Pyrex that I found at an estate sale that was really cheap, so I thought, why not? And then I have some flower vases just because I have them. In the far cabinet, I have extra paper towels. So yeah, cabinets are pretty full with all the basics, some not so basic stuff that I just had and provided anyway. Let me show you what's going on in the rest of the kitchen. All right, just below those upper cabinets I was just showing you, I've got a gas stove. I have that hand towel I was telling you about. In the broiler, I have a few cookie sheets. In the freezer, I've got an ice cube tray that I have my cleaner refill with each cleaning. And other than that, the freezer's empty and the refrigerator's empty. It's just extremely clean. So this is my favorite part of any kitchen, the coffee station. I found this kitchen cart at IKEA, great price. The butcher block top is beautiful. I got black to go with the black and red and green motif I've got going on in this Airbnb. Plus it houses all these great things. I've got a Farberware knife set, and then of course I have our Keurig that has not only K-cups that I keep stocked over here, but I also have a regular coffee pot that's made for Keurig and a reusable K-cup in case anyone wants to bring their own coffee grounds and they can reuse the coffee cup, the K-cup. I've got creamer, sugar, coffee stirs, to-go cups. I provide 4 for each stay. And then I also have this tin bag here that's full of teas, black tea, herbal tea, flavored teas. I've got a microwave. I've got cutting boards down here. Over here, I've got a really cool story about this decor. A friend of mine gave me hand towels when I left New York City, and they're really cute, but they were white. And they say cute things like, when I sip, you sip, we sip, drop it like it's hot. And I was like, I can't let these get ruined by, you know, dirty hands and whatever. So I cut them up and I framed them, and they actually make really great kitchen decor. And then this is really cool because in one of our renovations, we found an old fork and spoon in the wall. It's not real silver, but I just love how antique it looks. So I put that in the wall decor too. This is a mango wood dining table that I got from West Elm. It's got leaves on both sides, so if people want to make this bigger, they totally can. We provide 2 extra chairs in one of the closets in the Airbnb. And this is mango wood, so it matches the coffee table and the 2 bedside tables in the bedroom. So I repeat the mango wood situation. Pepper, salt, toothpicks, and then this. If you have an Airbnb, VRBO, whatever platform you use, you really should have a guest welcome booklet. So we email this to all of our guests before they arrive, so they have all this information. But we give Nick and my cell phone number. We have everything you need to know about the area, where the local hospitals are, police station is, where the first aid kit is, our house rules. We've got house quirks in here. So our keypad, sometimes the button sticks and you can't put in your code, and people have, one time someone freaked out, and then I put that quirk in here. So if you put the house quirks, maybe your hot and cold are reversed, whatever it is, just put it in here. That way guests know, like, hey, it's not a big deal, just this is how you need to do it. We've got amenities, so our Wi-Fi, name and password, how to use the TV, and I mean step by step how to use the TV, because if you're like me, I'm like, if it's more than just pressing the power button, I need you to walk me through it. Essentials that you can find in the Airbnb, restaurants and bars in the area that we love, and then transportation, from the bike share to bus to how to get to the airport to car share to Uber Lyft to the Yellow Cab of Columbus. We have it all in here. And the rest of the pages I actually share how to buy some of the stuff in the Airbnb. We partner up with local makers, and this way, if someone says, hey, I love that really cool map, you'll see it, decor over here, where do I get one? They can see in here, oh, you can go ahead, you can contact that maker and get one for yourself. I have one more area in the Airbnb kitchen that I want to show you. The last stop in the kitchen is this chalkboard wall. That actually wasn't my idea at first. We had some friends staying in the Airbnb before we listed it. I kind of do this sometimes so that they can tell me what I'm missing, what they went to reach for and they didn't find. It's a great way to just figure all that out before you go ahead and list it on any short-term rental platform. And my friend was like, he was looking at the kitchen, he was like, you know, this was a big blank white wall. He was like, this would be a great opportunity for a chalk wall. And I was like, yes, it is. And all of a sudden I had the whole thing laid out in my head. Now, I didn't design it with their handwriting. I have a friend who does graphic design, and I asked her, I was like, here are the dimensions, here's what I wanted to say. She designed it for me, and then I took her design from her email, had it on my phone while I tried to replicate it as best as I could, because using my hands and doing artwork is not my strong suit, but it turned out really well. Plus, I partnered up with a local maker who makes these great state maps from plywood. She cuts them out and then she puts the map over top of it. It's a great addition to any Airbnb, so I'll put her information in the comments below. I've got the state of Ohio right here, welcome to Columbus. And then below it just has a request to remove your shoes because we have nice rugs, our Wi-Fi login information, even though we have it in the booklet and you can find it on the listings information online, we've got it here as well, and then a few of our favorite restaurants in the area. So I love the chalkboard wall, it turned out really well. I want to go ahead and show you our bathroom, so let's go take a look. All right, so here's our super tiny bathroom. The one thing I actually wanted to talk to you about in this video before I show you how we set up the bathroom is we didn't renovate the bathroom or the kitchen in this Airbnb because our return on investment is much greater if we actually just leave them as they are for right now. So they're clean, they're functional. I was able to add a lot of style with new furnishings, with a lot of tech. We've got smart TVs, we've got chargers, we've got a fresh coat of paint on all the walls, but I only put in about a few grand to furnish the apartments, and I can make anywhere from $1,600 on slow months to $2,000 plus on busier months in the Airbnb, versus having these renovated and having a long-term tenant pay market value, which is about $1,100 for a one bed, one bath, newly renovated apartment. Now, I know there's controversy about taking away from long-term rentals for short-term rentals. We have 2 long-term rentals in this building and then 2 Airbnbs. This way, Nick and I can really make the most of our investment, but still provide a great place to live for long-term tenants. So with that being said, this bathroom and that kitchen that you just saw was obviously not renovated, but they are super clean, new paint, and everything that we furnish with them are brand new items. So I've got this really cute curtain here. We put a new shower head in over here. And then I also provide in all of our Airbnb bathrooms, let me show you. I've got reusable shampoo and conditioner bottles. I have a little S for shampoo, C for conditioner, and then I refill them with Pantene Pro V products, so it's actually a nice shampoo. Over here, I provide my guests with Q-tips, cotton balls, These are not real matches, but they're just cute decor. And then I'll show you what's going on underneath the sink, but I provide a hair dryer, first aid kit, extra toilet paper, and then air freshener. I also have hand soap, a cute tea towel, a really cute wastebasket that I just use grocery bags as the liners to save on money and to save on, plastic. We reuse those. And then a really cute Vogue vintage decor over here. I have a plunger, I have a toilet cleaner just in case they want to take care of that on their own during their stay. The bathroom is super simple, but guests love it. They've never had a complaint. They've actually said thank you so much for the Q-tips or the cotton balls. It's these little things that don't cost us much that really make the difference. One last stop on our Airbnb. Just outside of the bathroom is this really cool nook. Nick and I created a video about how we made these shelves because originally there were old cabinets here that actually were beyond repair or cleaning. So this is probably the only area in this Airbnb that we renovated. We took out the cabinets, we found that there was brick behind it. It's the chimney, so we exposed the brick. And then we put these two floating shelves for our guests' towels, their body towels, their hand towels, makeup removing towels. Down here you'll find extra pillows and blankets, and then of course our favorite toiletry basket. It's our favorite because we get great response from guests having these items here for them so they don't have to go to the drugstore just to get a razor or a toothbrush. A lot of these are travel size, they're not expensive. We actually don't refill this basket often. Guests only use it when they really need something. And if you go to Amazon or whatever, you can get big bulk items of, basic toothbrushes, razors. We've got Pepto-Bismol, we've got lint rollers, static guard, spray deodorant. It's just kind of anything you might need when you are traveling and you forget it. We don't have a front desk, so this is a great way to provide things for people that they might forget. That's it. That is the tour of our Airbnb here in Columbus, Ohio. It's a great way to make a side hustle. For us, we love making it our full-time job. If you like the value that we're providing with our YouTube videos, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would mean so much to us. If we could improve our Airbnb spaces, don't be afraid to leave comments in the comment box below. But for now, I'm Sarah Karakayan with Nestrs, and I'll talk to you next time.